Who are you guys filming?
You guys.
Oh, really?
It's for voting. It's voting Kentucky.
Oh, voting.
Not excited at all.
Well, if you need anyone to speak on it, I'm here.
He's running for president, you know.
When do you guys start? I want to witness this. I've always wanted to see how it goes down.
Can't be behind, dude.
Oh.
What are you going to say?
Behind, guys, I'm telling you.
Oh, it's live?
Yeah, because he's got a camera, guys. I know what you're doing.
We're good people.
No, you're not, dude. Go.
All right, we're live in 3 seconds.
Oh my God, they're fucking live. He is so mad, dude.
Let's go, guys. Go. Seriously.
Oh, we were just walking by.
Go. Walk. Out. Go.
We're just walking by.
Go, guys. Go.
Okay, we're not in the shot. We're not in the shot. I've always wanted to be on TV. Wait, I think he's going. I think he's going. Our car's that way.
Get go.
RoVeR SpOrtS!